Most people chase meme coin pumps hoping to make some quick money, but I don't trade meme coins, I just launch. And that's why my Phantom wallet looks like this, all from deving meme coins. Keep watching. Now, I used to trade meme coins all day, chase entries, and watching meme scope hoping for the next runner. But most of the time, okay, I'd buy in, and after a couple of seconds, okay, I'd get completely dumped on by the dev of these coins. Okay, you have to realize that in 2026, okay, becoming a dev is way more profitable than trading. Okay, that's exactly when I realized that. Now, when you launch, you control the supply, you control the timing, and you control basically the whole meme coin. You have nothing to lose by creating the coin, because creating coins, okay, you guys will see into this video, will cost $0 fucking dollars. It costs nothing to create a coin, and that is why deving meme coins is a lucrative business model. In today's video, bro, I will be doing a quick example on how to make a meme coin, all step by step. Now, actually, right here, I have a quick plan, okay, in between deving and trading. Now, let me walk you through exactly what both mean. Trading meme coins, bro, you risk losing your money at any given moment because of the dev. You do not know the true intentions of these devs, bro. They could dump on you, or they could let the coin run and then dump on you. Okay, you never know. If volume is low, basically on the Solana blockchain, it's harder to find runners. That is true, bro. But unlike deving, bro, deving will always make money. Okay, but trading, you never know if the market is bad or good. Obviously, you do not know the true intentions of these devs. There's way more risk trading than deving, that's a fact, and you need a bigger crypto portfolio to even support your trading style. That is why, bro, I stopped trading and I started deving. Okay, first of all, there is no initial risk at all. Okay, like I said before, you control the chart, you decide if you want to dump the coin at any moment. You do not need a big portfolio. All you need is basically, I don't know, 0.3, 0.5, so not that much. The more launches you do, the more chance of making money you have. That is a fact. If you launch 1,000 coins, well, that could lead into like tens and thousands of dollars in profit. Make money from Pump.Fun creator fees, plus you make money from the supply that you own as a dev. That's a fact, bro. All you're doing is grifting money from the creator fees and from the supply that you own. That is the business model of deving meme coins. Now here I have a couple P&Ls. I made 30 grand on this wallet and 24k on this wallet. Okay, and yeah, bro, keep watching if you want to learn how to dev. And by the way, bro, this complete video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so it is all fake and it's all made with AI. Cap! Now, a lot of people go to Pump.Fun to launch their meme coins, but let me tell you why you do not want to be launching coins on Pump.Fun. First of all, it's fucking tacky, okay? It's fucking ass. Like, look at this, bro, you know, like, it's really fucking, it takes too long to launch a meme coin. And second of all, your meme coin needs to reach $50,000 for it to migrate to Raydium. And by the way, bro, Raydium is where you want your coins to be to reach tens and thousands of people. But on Pump.Fun, bro, you have to depend too much on luck for that to happen. It's oversaturated, there's too many coins, so the odds of your coin to go on Raydium, even though it's a good narrative, it's really slim. That's why I use createcoins.io, because this launchpad is where everything happens and it fixes all of your problems. First of all, your launches on this website goes directly onto Raydium, instantly migrated and tradable right away, which means your coin, okay, if it's launched right here, will go straight to tens and thousands of traders, and a bunch of people are going to start viewing the coin and potentially buying in. And that is exactly why a bunch of devs are actually gatekeeping this website, bro. I will even do a quick example. Now here's exactly how to make a coin, bro. You have two clean choices. The first choice is to create a coin from scratch. Now you need to find a name, symbol, and image, but first of all, you need a narrative to make a meme coin upon. So go on X and look for a narrative. It could be literally anything, bro, from a Elon Musk tweet, some fucking anything fucking viral, bro. Just look for something, okay? Look for a narrative. It could be literally anything. When you have a narrative, come back to createcoins.io real quick. invent a name, add a symbol, add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin is live and up and running in seconds. But the actual second method, bro, is actually my favorite method, and it's the most profitable, and that's the copy trending coins tab, because these coins already have traffic and attention, which means if you copy a coin here, you will get instant buyers and higher profits, all because you're copying coins on Pump.Fun that are already working. Anyways, now it's time for the best part of this video, and that is by launching a coin live in front of you guys. Now, connect your Phantom wallet, click on refresh, and look for a coin to copy. Okay, just look for something. I will be copying the Yeti coin. It has it as by 2 seconds ago. Click on create coin, wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up, ignore the block or whatever the fuck is that, right? Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, then click on confirm right here. The warning is completely normal, okay? Every single person is gonna get that. Then just wait. And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this is where it all activates, okay? We add liquidity and your coin goes live on Raydium immediately, where a bunch of people can start buying your coin, okay? Now for token A, click on 90%. That will drop 900 million tokens. Right under for the amount token B, this is a spark that starts your market. That SOL isn't lost, it is just locked in to kick things off, okay? The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and that SOL comes right back to you once the liquidity is removed, so we have nothing to lose, okay? Obviously, I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL for the first buy. You will get this back later. Click on create pool, and then click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the Yeti coin is on live and your PNL is right here. Now if you click on the refresh button, our profits went up to $120. People are liking our coin and they are buying in. Now, at the beginning, okay, on the first refresh after launch, your coin should be around $30 to $200 like this, okay? That's a good sign, and that means your narrative is good because people are insta buying in. Now, click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen, then just wait, and then now the coin is fucking live. Boom, $40 right here, $70. Okay, we're already up like $200 if I had to guess or some shit. You can just click on refresh if you want. 1.7k market cap, things are looking good, and this is why you have to be deving coins, bro. Okay, it's literally the new meta. It's a new method to make money in this space. It's all from deving coins. It's literally so fucking good. Come on. More people have to see this coin. Well, more people are going to start seeing your coin and they will start buying in. Look at this, bro. Every single second we get one transaction. 3, 2, 1, boom. I told you $3. Let's go. Come on. Bro, people are buying in, bro. This is actually insane. The volume is insane. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump. When I come back, we will dump the coin. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 3k market cap, 3.4k. There's a bunch of transactions. It's a bit dipping, so that's why I am going to dump it right now. Come back to create coins.io. Obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And now as you guys can see, we are up $1.61,000. Click on the minus button when you are ready to cash out. Here you can choose the percentage. I would do everything, remove here, then just wait. And now as you guys can see, bro, we will be receiving 13 SOL on this meme coin. Click on confirm, and boom, cha-ching. That's exactly how you do it, bro. I'm kinda used to it, but now if I open my Phantom, you guys can see that we just received the money inside our Phantom wallet, 13.01 SOL. That means it went a bit down, so we lost like 0.5 SOL. It's not a big deal anyways, okay, because we fucking printed. Okay, now if you want to do this for yourself, bro, createcoins.io is linked down below, and also join my Discord and Telegram group to connect with me and with other like-minded people. And yeah, bro, peace out.